For the Yurok people, the river is significant and important for subsistence and commercial fishing, but it also is the lifeline of all Yurok lifeways. And so natural resources that the Yurok people rely on come from the river, or the river serves as the tribe's highway. And so you'll see a lot of folks who, they actually commute via boat up and down the river as like the most efficient way to get from one end of the reservation to the other. And it's been that way since time immemorial. Because the salmon are such an important species for the Yurok tribe, a lot of the work that I did when I was legal counsel for the tribe was really looking at the harms that the river and the salmon were facing and how to find solutions to those harms. The Klamath dams, there's toxic algae blooms that are on the river, there's drought with low water or warm water, and all of these kind of factors have varying impacts on the salmon. Traditional knowledge that tribes have is so integral and so important to how we look at the management of resources. I think tribal nations are really the leader in understanding this and have been advocating for living well with the environment in a way the rest of society can learn from and hopefully model moving forward.